Shalom! Welcome to the Biblical Hebrew Challenge. Let's practice the Biblical Hebrew alphabet. Just practice. Aleph, Bet, Vet, Gimel, Dalet, Hey, Vav, Zayin, Chet, Tet, Yod, Kaf, final Kaf, Chaf, final Chaf, Lamed, Mem, final Mem, Nun, final Nun, Samech, Ain, Pei, final Pei, Fei, final Fei, Tzadi, final Tzadi, Kof, Resh, Sin, Shin, Taf. One more time. Aleph, Bet, Vet, Gimel, Dalet, Hey, Vav, Zayin, Chet, Tet, Yod, Kaf, final Kaf, Chaf, final Chaf, Lamed, Mem, final Mem, Nun, final Nun, Samech, Ain, Pei, final Pei, Fei, final Fei, Tzadi, final Tzadi, Kof, Resh, Sin, Shin, Taf. One more time. Aleph, Bet, Vet, Gimel, Dalet, Hey, Vav, Zayin, Chet, Tet, Yod, Kaf, final Kaf, Chaf, final Chaf, Lamed, Mem, final Mem, Nun, final Nun, Samech, Ain, Pei, final Pei, Fei, final Fei, Tzadi, final Tzadi, Kof, Resh, Sin, Shin, Taf.